Hello everyone, it's 8th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. At the first page we have question mark over role of Indigo high profile board. Its risk committee in run up to crisis. Again very important. Moving forward we have 25 dead in Goa club fire. FIR flags lack of licenses exits. Then we have most victim migrants workers can ask why did no one save them. Again very important for immigration perspective. Moving forward we have ma'am I'm having a panic attack. Again very important for mental health perspective. Then we have multipolar world case of deeper multilateralism says Jay Shankar. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Rajnath inaugurates Shlok tunnel in the eastern Ladakh. 124 other strategic border projects. Again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have demolition notice illegal construction. Goa nightclub faced red flags since 2023. Again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have MP missing from Kuno. Cheetah dies after being hit by a vehicle on highway. Again very important for environment perspective. Only 27% work properties listed on Umeed, under 1% in West Bengal. Again very important for society perspective. Going forward we have the editorial page where we have two important editorials. Economy beyond headline numbers, better jobs, green growth needed. Again very important for economic perspective. Then we have RBI interest cuts supports growth amid uncertainties. Again very important for economic perspective. Moving forward we have the world page where we have new US security strategy aligns with our views, says Russia. Then we have Japan, Australia urge calm after China radar locks on Japanese jets. Then we have Nepal anti-graft body launches probe into China-built Pokhara airport. Then we have Netanyahu says Israel Hamas will begin second phase of ceasefire soon. Then we have low voter turnout in Hong Kong elections amid anger over blaze. Then we have 55 more Iranians to return home in Trump immigration crackdown. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have monetary policy need not to be hostage to re-sliding core inflation sign of excess capacity. Again very important for economic perspective. Then we have India US deal uncertainty put over $2 billion apparel orders, jobs at risk. Again very important for employment as well as economic perspective. Going forward we have pollution, plastics and lifestyle new threats to male fertility. Again very important for health as well as environment perspective. Then we have trust and ethics are an important part of parliamentary democracy. If trust is broken, it has a cascading effect. Again very important for policy and governance perspective. That is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.